Good morning, 8th class children. Today I tell about squares and square roots. You see this table and observe first definition. The product of two same numbers is called its square. Example, x into x square, 1 into 1, 1 square, 2 into 2, 2 square, and so on. Okay, you see and observe this table. Square roots. 1 square is equal 1. That is 1 into 1, 1. 2 square is equal 4. 3 square is equal 3 into 3, 9. 4 square is equal 16. 5 square is equal 25. 6 square is equal 36. Next, 7 square is equal 7 into 7, 49. 8 square, 8 into 8, 64. 9 square, 9 into 9, 81. 10 square, 10 into 10, 100. Okay. Square roots. 1 square is equal to 1. Square root model. Square, it transfer to other side. Square root 1. Square root is 1 is equal 1. Next, 2 square is equal 4. The square transfers to right hand side. Root 4 or square root 4 is equal to 2. 3 square 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. Square transfers to this. Root 9 is equal to 3. Okay. 4 square is equal to 16. Square root 16 is equal to 4. Square root 5 square is equal to 25. Square transfers to another side. Answer this 5, right? 6 square is equal to 36. Root 36 or square root 36 is equal to 6. Okay. 7 square is equal to 49. 7 square is equal to 49. Write as square transfer to another side. Square root 49 is equal to 7. Square root 64 is equal to 8. Square root 81 is equal to 9. Square root 100 is equal to 10. Okay. 10 is base, 2 is power. And it is answer. Okay. Next. See examples. 3 square is equal to 9. Therefore, square root of 9 is 3. How? Root 9 is equal to 3 or square root 9. Already I will explain. This square transfers to another side. Square is square root. Square is square root. 16 is equal to 4. Square is square root. 25 is equal to 5. If y square is equal to x, then square root of x written as square root of x is equal y. Okay. Another example. Root 4 is equal to, because 2 square is equal to 4. Root 4 means square root 4. Square root 4 is square root. Next, square root 16 is equal to 4, because 4 square is equal to 16. Root 25, 225, square root 225 is equal to 15, because 15 square is equal to 225, etc. Okay. Square root transfer to another way, that is right side, 15 square. Square root is transferred to 15 square. Okay. Okay, you will observe 25 is the square root of both 5 and minus 5. Therefore, the square root of 25 is 5 or minus 5. Double answer, 5 or minus 5. But in this chapter, we are confined to the positive square root, which is also called principal square root. It is written as root 25, or square root 25 is equal 5. Okay.